Hello, I'm Atsu Matsui, the developer of a tool called Write2BD Tools. I created this tool to make it easier for teams to quickly verify the write node settings and Nuke project settings set by their colleagues. Now I'll demonstrate how to use the tool. I'll start with a Nuke project I've prepared for this demonstration. Once you've installed the tool, you'll notice a new icon in the node toolbar. You click it and then select Write2BD with TCL. Or if this icon doesn't show, then right-click and choose Write2BD with TCL. As you can see, there are two nodes. One is toBackdrop and the other is Write2BD1. Place this write node where you want to render from. For example, I will put this where I want to pre-render. As you change the knob, for example, I will change this RGB to alpha. It won't show this alpha immediately, but after you play a few frames and then stop, it will change and it will be updated. There's one exception to this, and that is the frame range. For example, here, you can change this, play a few frames, but this won't change. To refresh it, you have to check or uncheck the lock range, then play a few frames. So here, you uncheck it, play a few frames, stop, then you see that it's changed. Same as last frame here, it won't change, but if you check and then play a few frames, then we'll change the value. When duplicating the write and backdrop nodes, press duplicate and update here. So then this will create a copy of these nodes and automatically update the backdrop label, renaming this name here, Write2BD1, to Write2BD2. In this way, the duplicated backdrop label reflects the correct write node settings. Note for Nuke indie users: if you duplicate more nodes, sometimes this happens and you will get this Python limitation. If you have this issue, please delete the one that's not needed. Please update this manually. Going to Node tab. This write node is Write2BD6. So you change this number here, not 0, Write2BD6. And there you go. There are some customization options you can choose. You can modify the node color, choosing from 8 node color presets here. For example, here I can change this to light red, and if you change everything here, then it will show like this. You can also change the backdrop node appearance. You can change it to border, to fill. You can shift select everything here. There you go, you can change it to fill. And then you can also select everything and then change it to black. Alright, that's the end of my explanation. I hope you find this tool useful. If you encounter any bugs or have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.